Hey, today we are going to be talking about the Estwing. I'm not sure if that's how you really pronounce it, but it's Estwing, all one word. The Hunter's Axe with a shock reduction grip. Absolutely love this. I originally saw this at SHOT Show, I want to say probably 3 years ago, and I was intrigued by it, and so I got one, put it to the test. Comes with this sheath here. It comes with a small carrying handle, or I like to clip my stuff onto it if I'm going to be carrying this in. I normally don't carry this with me in my pack because of the weight that it is, but it's something that is for gutting large animals. So after you've already harvested one, you can go ahead and take them and do what you need to do with your smaller knife, and then when you come back to camp on your first pack out, you can go ahead and grab this and come back in and do what it is that you need to do. Now with that said though, one of my favorite things, you see it's double protected in here. Not only is it a hatchet, but it is a gut hook as well. And as you can see, that blade that's in there, which you can put on yourself, it actually comes with a sharpening stone or a moon rock, depending on where you're from and what you call it, and go ahead and sharpen it that way as well as the regular hatchet, depending on how long you're going to be out there and you have some downtime back at camp. That's what I do, and I will tell you that this gut hook absolutely 100% works. You simply just cut a small incision where you need to start that gut, and then hook it in right here, and it has a lip so that you're not going to cut into the sack when you are field dressing your animal. And then by the time you get it started, that's when it starts to come up here to that blade, and then you simply pull just like that, and with that pulling, it just cuts the hide right off of the encasings there. The other thing that I really enjoy about this is that it is made from all one piece. So this is the head is not going to break off. I've had some hatchets before to where it's made out of two pieces, or it could be wood for the handle, and after a while you're doing your thing, chopping down trees, chopping kindling, and then this breaks off, and now you're just stuck out there with the handle and kind of a piece of a blade. So since this is all forged out of one piece, it's absolutely perfect. I love it. And then it has this built-in shock absorber, so when you're smacking it away, especially since the head and your hand is in such close proximity, you are not going to feel that vibration. It knocks it down to about 70%. That forged in one piece to me is like the biggest selling point, besides it being made in the USA. And it's perfect for chopping logs, small trees and branches, or splitting firewood or kindling. And it's this slotted gut hook. It's perfect for large animals. Your smaller animals, it's not going to work, especially because, I mean, I guess you can make it work, but it's just so cumbersome. Of a small animal, you don't need to use anything like this at all whatsoever. It's pretty much overkill. The axe blade it comes already sharpened and is polished, and I've only had to sharpen the gut hook actually once. I have only sharpened this gut hook once, and that was when we were out on the tundra for 9 days, and so I had a bunch of downtime, so I just kept sharpening it. It came sharp, but it hasn't lost that edge yet at all. And as you see, I have been using that blade because of the wear and tear that's on it, but it's still going and it's still strong. Now it has the eyelet here so that you can hook on some 550 cord so that you don't lose it, or if you need to hang it from a tree or anything like that. That's pretty much what I do. Now they want you to wear safety goggles with this, and I think that you should, especially when you're chopping wood, because those pieces can just fly right into your eye. And if you're out and about, you don't want that to happen. The eye goggles don't come with it, but you should be able to have your shooting glasses, probably, most likely. I think you would be. And like I said, that it's a patented shock reduction grip, and it does reduce it by 70%, the impact vibration. Especially you're using your dominant hand and you're like smacking away, and next thing you know, your hand is all like shaking because of that vibration. It's transferring the energy down through your hand. So this reduces that by 70%. So I've had other hatchets before, but this one is probably going to be my last one. And if I lose it, I'm just going to get another one. It's 14.2 inches by 2.4 inches by 1.5 inches. It weighs 1.68 pounds, which is another reason I don't carry it in my pack, and I'm leaving it in camp just to get rid of that, extra poundage. But as a hatchet goes, that's not really that heavy at all. It's well balanced and absolutely love it. So I would give this 100 thumbs up. So yeah, you guys just try out that Estwing, or Estwing, however you say it. That's how you spell it. Right there. That Hunter's Axe with that shock reduction grip. And like I said too, that sheath is included, and it just slides right in there, folds over, snaps into place. Put your sharpening stone back in, and you're good to go.